I was having problems with my mouse not working properly. It seemed to even be slowing the computer down, if that's possible. Whenever I would use right click, it sometimes wouldn't open the menu. Sometimes the menu would open and close down right away. On the right click, I couldn't drag across, so I was kind of just doing a lot of cutting and pasting and such. And so finally, I figured out what's going on here. So I opened up the mouse, and this particular one actually has a screw in the bottom, and you just kind of pop it open. And keep in mind, I've done this to 3 other mice, if you will, with really good results. So this is something that wasn't just a fluke to happen on one. So this might be the one you want to deal with. So essentially what we're dealing with is right about here is these little tiny micro switches that are part that when these press on activate it from little areas down here. And so you might be hear it clicking a little bit. Yeah, a little bit there, a little bit there. So I said, what can we do to see if I can clean it up? I mean, the thing wasn't really working that well anymore, so what's the harm, right? So I got some of our magic solution here, and this, so now if you can see right on the end there, I can get a little, just one drop. And I say, put it each time on each of those switches, and then basically so it'll wick into the switch. I press this a few times and let a few times like this, and just kept on. I don't know how long you really need to do it, but I just did it for, I don't know, 20 things like that, and put the whole thing together, and voila, it worked. It worked like it was brand new, better than new, it seems like. But I had no idea this was really going to be helpful, and so that's why I went and got the other mice and fixed all 3 of them. So this is something I wish I had known about a long time ago. Now, while we're here, go ahead and usually this little here usually attracts some fuzz or something like that. Go ahead and pull that out. And also, while we're here, also is the little magic solution here. It's really good by getting all the grime off of the mouse, as you can see from my cleaning rag here. So any questions of how this works, go ahead and give me a comment below. Please remember to subscribe and share this video to help disabled animals with donated wheelchairs.